Hello, this is Pascal again from SAB Heli Division Germany, and today I want to show you another modification I did on the battery tray to improve two key things. One thing is that I want to improve the weight on the battery tray, since I want to fly this helicopter for competition, and I also want to improve the size so I can transport it more easily and store it inside my safety containers. This battery tray right now is 3D printed, so only the lower part is 3D printed. And this is really easy to insert, but still strong enough to fly 3D, at least the 3D I can do. With this modification and also with some careful managing of your cables on your ESC, you can still connect the battery from outside without taking off the canopy, and this is what I am going to show you right now. So what I showed you before is that my ESC wires in the front are very long, and I put my ESC in a traditional position, and now I can grab the cables from the outside and connect the battery without removing the canopy. Let me show it to you. Now, when the battery is half inserted, I grab both cables, I connect them, push the battery forward until the quick release is engaging, and then you are good to go. Now the battery is fully inserted, there's still plenty of space in front of the helicopter. This is also working with two separate battery packs with 2x6S, but you might run into trouble with space between your battery and your frame, but with optimizing this solution, it's also working with separate packs. I hope I could give you some inspiration on how to modify your helicopter the way you like it best. I personally prefer it light and with this smaller battery tray. Have fun at the field and just text me if there is any questions.